Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be filming the very last advent calendar that I have, and the very last one I'm going to be filming just before Christmas is the Revolution advent calendar. Now, this is going to be so much fun to unbox. I'm feeling extremely Christmassy right now with my poinsettias and holly in my hair. I've got my Christmas top on and I'm just feeling extremely festive at this moment. Let's jump straight into it and unbox this Revolution advent calendar. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. If you guys want to know what's inside the Revolution advent calendar and give you guys my honest thoughts, just keep watching. If you guys just want to know what products is inside and you don't want to watch this full in-depth video, a YouTube short will be uploaded just after this video. This is what the calendar looks like. It has this beautiful star on the front. It's really pretty. It gives you the information about the products and then a list of all the products that's inside with the full ingredients lists. And this is what it looks like without the little slit. And here are the doors inside the calendar. There's 24 doors in this calendar, so let's get started. Door number 1 is right here. Don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see because it's quite small. And we have the Revolution Pout Bomb Shimmer Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Shine Pink. Now, some of these products you can buy on the Revolution website, but some of them are only exclusive to the calendar. This is definitely a mini size, and the full size of this product does retail for $5.99 on the Revolution website. It just briefly says about it: plump the shine with this high shine shimmer lip plumper for fuller looking lips. So that's nice, a plumping lip gloss. Door number 2 is right here. Okay guys, door number 2 was supposed to be the mirror, I believe, but where there's quite a big, I don't know if well you guys can see, because can you see there's a gap here? Where there's a gap here and the mirror is obviously very thin, it slipped down the calendar. So unfortunately I don't have the mirror to show you at the moment, but if I find it, I will show it later on in this video. Door number 3 is right down the bottom here. It's this beautiful blusher in Peach Pop. And this product you can buy on the website. This retails for £3.50, so it's currently on sale at the moment. And it just briefly says about it: light up your look with this ultra pigmented blush that delivers a fresh, radiant pop of colour. So this looks really, really pretty. I love the little stars on the front. I think it's nice. I think they made that exclusive to the calendar. Door number 4 is right here, and we have this lovely lipstick in Heart Trace Nude. It's a very nude colour. It doesn't appear that you can buy this on the website, so this one is pretty much exclusive to the calendar, but it's very pretty. I like the little stars on it. It makes a change from their black packaging that they use every year, so it's quite nice, and I like the little stars on the front. Door number 5 is right here. We have this beautiful highlighter in Golden Lights. You can buy this on the Revolution website. This is, of course, the mini version. This does retail the full size for £4, and it's part of their Reloaded range, because they've got the Reloaded blushes as well, which is pretty much the same design as that, but blush version. And it pretty much just says on the website about it: glow your way with this intensively pigmented highlighter that allows next level radiance. Love it. Door number 6, if you guys can see, is the very, very, very skinny one. Now, I thought this was a eye lip liner, but it turns out it's an eye pencil, and it's a brown one with the same packaging as the lipstick. And I also found the mirror as well. You can't buy this kohl pencil on the Revolution website. However, they pretty much sell identical ones, pretty much exactly the same as this, for £3 on the website. The only difference is it's just the packaging. That's literally the difference. Door number 7, as you can see, is this tiny weeny little square. And we have this sparkling eyeshadow. It doesn't have a name to it or anything. It's just this beautiful sparkly bronzy colour. This eyeshadow, you can't buy this individually. This is exclusive to the calendar. Door number 8 is right here. And we have this absolutely adorable glow stick cream highlighter, guys. Look how small it is. It's so cute. Now, I couldn't find the shade name to this product, but I checked the advent calendar and it said that this is called Silver Shimmer. But it's so adorable, guys. It's so small. Oh my god, it's so cute. But you can't buy this on the Revolution website. This is exclusive to the calendar because I'm trying to get more in love with liquid and cream highlighters now, because as you guys know, they were never my favourite, so I'm trying to be more in love with them, and this size is just perfect for me. And door number 9 is here, and we have a cool stick. Look at the colour, it is so pretty. Now, I think we all know what this is meant to be a dupe / copy of. The She Glam eye sticks. It is definitely a straight copy, that's for sure. But what's interesting is this one says it's for eyes and lips, so it's meant to be for both. So I might have to film this in a separate video and see which one is better. So that might be quite fun to do. But it's nice to get a Revolution version of this. Also, looking up on the website, you can't buy this on the website. I've looked everywhere. So this is exclusive to the calendar. Day number 10 is right here. We have a Revolution lipstick in Brunch Pink. This is what the colour looks like. It's just, this has got sort of a brown undertone to it, whereas the first one had a slight pink undertone to it. You can buy this on the Revolution website, this lipstick. This is the mini version. The full size does retail for $5.99. And it's a soft satin lipstick. So it's not matte, but it's not shimmer, so it's in the middle. And it says here, lightweight and non-drying on the lips. Fall for these creamy, soft satin formulas. Door number 11 is right down the bottom. And we have a very lovely pointed brush. Very nice for smoking underneath the lower lash line, or you want to create a smoky wing. Or actually, I was going to say, it might be nice to pat concealer on, but it might be a bit small. So nice to apply in a corner or brow bone. So a very nice brush. Right, door number 12 is another big square. And we have a blusher in neon pink. This you can't buy on the website. This is exclusive to the calendar, but it's a very nice matte pink colour. Okay, door number 13 is another square. We have the Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. Now, you can buy this on the Superdrug website. However, from looking on the website, it doesn't appear that you can buy this same one anymore. They've changed the packaging slightly. I'll put a picture on screen. And they've added hyaluronic acid to that powder now, whereas the old one they never did. And I remember back in the day, the full size was £5. I remember that. I really do remember that. But the one that they have on the website, which is pretty much the same, but like I said, slightly dearer, but just added hyaluronic acid. It retails for $6.99, and it says, reveal radiant skin with Revolution Loose Baking Powder, crafted for a luminous, silky complexion. So I'm hoping that is the right one because I can't seem to find it anymore. But yeah, but this is an oldie but a goodie. And we have door number 14, which is here. We have a Revolution Pout Lip Oil. This is a hydrating lip oil in clear. The full size of this lip oil, it retails for $6.99 on the Revolution website. And it just says, drench your lips in the Revolution Pout Lip Oils that will keep you reaching for again and again and again. So that's nice, a little lip oil. Door number 15 is this little box here, and we have an adorable little lip balm. Yeah, just an adorable little lip balm. You can't find it on the website, but I like the packaging. It's cute. Door number 16 is right here. I have a Revolution blush stick in strawberry pink. Can't buy this in the Revolution website. This is exclusive to the calendar. So I don't know how many more times I'm going to say this in this video, but it does smell really good. It does smell like strawberries. I would say this would work for me sort of like as a bronzer than a blusher really, but we'll have to give it a go and see what happens. Door number 17 is right here. And we have a little beauty sponge. It's a little mini itty bitty one. It's so cute. You can use this for like cream contour. You can use this under your eyes. So yeah, always handy to have a beauty sponge. Door number 18 is right here. And we have a cream quad here. Nice for bronzing, highlighting, and for a little bit of concealer. Sadly, this isn't going to suit every single skin tone, unfortunately. But it's a very handy little thing to have. You've got your cream highlighter, you've got your nice face products here, and a cream contour. So nice for on the go. And I'm not going to look this up on the website, guys, because I know for a fact you can't buy this on the website. Door number 19 is right here. We have a Fierce Volume Mascara. Okay, they sell ones that are similar on the website. They sell ones that are like Big Lash Fierce Volume Mascara, and they sell a couple that are different coloured and one that's a waterproof one, so I will pop it on screen. So they do sell like these ones which are similar to this one, like similar. And they do retail for $5.99. So it's nice to include a mascara in this calendar, because usually they never include a mascara in this calendar. So it's nice to actually have a mascara in an advent calendar. Door number 20 is right here. And we have some little under eye sponges. They're so cute. Look at these little, or do they call them powder puffs? I know they usually call them powder puffs. So these little small pointy powder puffs, perfect for the under eyes. So these are so cute. I know everyone says that these are a game changer, so excited to get these. Cute. Okay, door number 21. It's that really skinny one right there. And we have a black liquid eyeliner pen. It's nice to get one because you never usually get one in a calendar. They do sell these pretty similar on the Revolution website. So they do retail for $5.99. And I mean we as in the different shades they have. So they have black, they have a burgundy one, they have a mocha brown, and they've got a silver, which is quite nice. And it pretty much just says on here, a waterproof liquid liner that lasts all day with a precision felt tip pen, designed to ensure you can create a razor sharp wings. So yeah, that's really cool. I'm happy to get this in the calendar. And door number 22 is right here. And of course, it wouldn't be a Revolution calendar without a clear brow gel. Door number 23 is the skinny one. And we have a really nice lip pencil. This lip liner is exclusive only to the calendar, but very nice to use with the lipsticks. Last but not least, we have Christmas Eve, day number 24. And we have a absolute gorgeous eyeshadow palette. You have two mattes and two sparkly colours. This is lovely. It's just nice because I don't like big palettes, to be honest. I like using small palettes, which I know that because I find big palettes are just so overwhelming and there's so much to look at and you think, oh my gosh, what do I play with? What do I use? So I like these sort of small palettes because then you just can't go wrong. You can just use those colours and that's it really. But it's a very nice palette, nice wearable palette. You can just use those colours and go for something neutral, or you could smoke it out with the dark colour and go in with gold. So it's basically like a day to night sort of look. So it's sort of like, it's really nice because I don't really like big palettes, I'm not going to lie, because when you look at them, they're really overwhelming. You think, what am I going to use? Whereas this is just very simple. You've got your two mattes, two shimmers, and you can do like a daytime look or then smoke it out and add this gold for like a nighttime look. So it's quite nice. It's really, really nice. So this is a palette you just can't go wrong with, really. Alright guys, that is everything from the Revolution calendar. So what are my honest thoughts about it? So I'm going to start with the sort of downs of it first and then end with the positive. So I personally, these little mirrors, they're no good to me. I find them quite useless, I'm not gonna lie. I will never ever use these little mirrors. To some people it's handy, they can just chuck it in their makeup bag and do their makeup on the go. I mean, it's a nice quality mirror, don't get me wrong, but I'm probably never going to use it, to be honest. It would have been nice to see a bronzer in here because, like, you've got like the cream and powder matchy in here. So for example, like, you've got a cream highlighter but a powder highlighter as well, so you could put them both together. You have a cream blusher with a powder blusher combined together, but you have a cream bronzer but no powder bronzer. So do you know what I mean? It would have been quite nice if they sort of put that in there. Yeah, like I probably would have changed the lip balm, this clear. It would have been nice if this was like sparkly or something, but this is pretty much just a clear lip balm, so that's just my personal preference. I would have changed this for something else, but apart from that, guys, this is probably, I'm not gonna lie, one of the best calendars I have ever seen Revolution do. Because there's powder for the face, it's translucent, which means it can suit a lot of skin tones. There's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm just looking at them right now. I love them. In fact, they included a mascara, they included an eyeliner, which they've never done. There's not too many overwhelming lip products, so because I know in the previous years they've included so many lipsticks and so many lip liners, and it just exploded your brain how many lip products there were. It was nice, but then it kind of drove me mad, I'm not gonna lie. But I love the fact that they've got something for the eyes. They've got like a clear brow gel for the brows, which they pretty much include every year. So I just like the fact they've done a little bit more for the eyes. So I like the fact there's a liner, a mascara. Yeah. But that's pretty much it, guys. I just really love the variation of products in this calendar. That's why I really wanted to try it. So I'm very happy with this calendar. I just kind of wish, the last note, I just kind of wish they did like different calendars. So they've done like one for light skin tones, medium skin tones and deeper skin tones. I wish they did a calendar for like different skin tones. So at least then there's a variation of products for people with different skin tones. That's all I would say. But apart from that, excellent calendar, brilliant calendar, nice variation. Very impressed with this calendar. I really like it. I really like it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great day. You stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Take care.